The IWP extension identifies an iWeb project file containing website design. Project data from Apple's discontinued iWeb application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, recover, or migrate these website project files. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized IWP file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. IWP files are project files for Apple iWeb, a discontinued Mac website creation application. They contain complete website designs including page layouts, text content, images, navigation menus, and publishing settings stored as a macOS package bundle in the user's library folder. Apple iWeb IWP files are macOS package bundles containing XML property lists, page content, data, embedded media files, template definitions, and site structure metadata. They store the complete website project in library, application, support, iWeb on the user's Mac. The software default for the IWP file type is the solution provided by Apple Inco's Apple iWeb. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows offers basic access, but a browser interprets the content more accurately. We are performing the initial software environment diagnostic. Right-click your IWP file and choose Open With. Test with Apple iWeb first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software switch. If your IWP file is not opening yet, that is normal. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, accessing the project. If iWeb is still installed on your Mac, open it to access the IWP project file automatically from the library location. iWeb loads all sites and pages stored in the project. Note that iWeb was discontinued and is not included in current macOS versions. Next, publishing the site. In iWeb use file, then publish to generate the static HTML website from your IWP project. Publish to a local folder to create HTML, CSS, and image files that can be uploaded to any web hosting service using an FTP client for continued website availability. Finally, migrating to modern platforms. Since iWeb is discontinued, publish your site to a folder first to extract all HTML and media files. Recreate your website using modern tools like WordPress, Squarespace, or RapidWeaver on Mac. Import your existing text and images into the new platform's design templates. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.